Hi, welcome to Campbell's Collectibles. I'm Charles. Happy Easter. I'll be opening up I'll be opening up a box of Donruss 2023-24 basketball. So this is the last time I'll be opening this product. So again, hunting for a Wembanyama. So here we go. There are 90 cards in this box. There's 15 cards per pack, 6 cards per pack. So 15 cards. 6 packs in the box and 15 cards per pack. So here we go. This is a blaster box. Here we go. Here are the packs. So our first pack, there we go. There we go. We have Demi Evidio, Desmond Bone, Onyeka Onkwu, I think I pronounced his name right, Trey Murphy III, Domantas Sabonis. We have Darius Garland. Our rated rookie in this pack is Mohamed Gueye. And we have Green Explosion of Dylan Brooks. And we have our bomb squad is Magic Johnson. Bomb squad. And the rest is base. I'm not going to go through them all here, but that's it. We got the next pack here. I think I'm just going to show the inserts today, because I've pretty much shown enough base for today. Well, for these past videos. Our rookie in this pack is Leonard Miller. So we have a rated rookie here. We have also a Great Expectations rookie of, Chris Murray. And we have a Green Explosion of Colin Sexton. And the rest is base. Here, I'll show the card. I'll just show the cards. I'm not going to say their names and elaborate. But these are pretty good cards here anyway. Not bad we got 15 cards per pack, so pretty good. So here's our third pack. We got base, 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 and our rookie is Marquis Noel. Whoops, sorry. We have a Shaden Sharp Green Explosion. We have a we got a good one here. We got a Jalen Wilson rated rookie gold foil here. That's a good hit. Not exactly a Wemby, but that's okay. A good hit nonetheless. And do we have any good hits here in the rest of our base? Sorry, I'm dropping everything today. Sorry about that. We have next pack up. Okay. Okay, we got Quentin Grimes, Nikola Jovic, Rudy Gobert here, Brandon Ingram, okay, Kyle Lowry, okay, he's another good one, LaMelo Ball. And our rated rookie is Kobe Buffkin. We have a Kyrie Irving Green Explosion. And we have an Anthony Black Great Expectations. And the rest is base. Oh, we got a Jason Tatum base. Here we go. But I think I've shown you before pretty much every single base card. I'm not going to go into full description here. There we go. Another one. Still no Wemby. He apparently is really hard to get in retail. Base. And our rated rookie is Nick Smith Jr. Okay. We have a Chris Middleton Green Explosion. We have a Steph Curry Magicians. Good insert here. Simmons, Zane Williamson, DeAndre Jordan, Norman Powell, Caldwell Pope, and D'Angelo Russell. Those are base cards there. And for our last pack of the break on this Easter Sunday, hope everyone has a good Easter today. We have Chris Paul, Kevin Durant. Here's a good one. Kevin Durant. I'll just show you the stars. Grandma conversion. No, base. Okay. And our rookie is a Bryce Sensabaugh. I think I already have him. We have a Maxwell Lewis Green rated rookie. Maxwell Lewis Green rated rookie. Okay, that's a pretty good card. Memphis Grizzlies franchise features Ja Morant. And the rest is just base. So not a okay, and we have Klay Thompson here. That's our better base here. So that'll be all for today. Overall, not a bad break. Got a couple of good couple of colored rated rookies here. But other than that, pretty good. So hope you guys have a good Easter, and please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.